I'm gonna try to remember to film my outfit every day here, but this is the first one that I'm wearing. Everything's wrinkled, but that's okay. Linen top, just khaki shorts basically, and the Hermes Orans. We're going down for breakfast. This is the first hotel. This is the one Eric was staying in for work, but we're going to our hotel today after breakfast. But we're going down and he's like has meeting stuff, so I wanted to look somewhat presentable. If he ever gestures over to me, I don't want to look like the crypt keeper, so just in case. I thought I'd wear something like kind of cute, but it's obviously comfy. I also want to show you this hotel room, but I'll do it after Eric's decent and all of our stuff is packed, because this is the craziest hotel room I've ever seen, and it was just him staying in it, so I want to show just because it's really cool. But I'll do that later. Okay, thank you, bye. Okay, so I want to show you the room because it's so cool and like nothing I've ever seen in a hotel. So that's the front door, obviously. You walk in. This is the bathroom. Very tropical. This though, this is what makes it crazy. So let's go see what's upstairs. Never stayed in a hotel with 2 stories. So up here is another little bedroom. TV, a nice little rug. And then another bathroom. Very cool. Ginormous. I will see you at our other hotel. Made it to the new hotel. I feel like I'm in Hawaii. My favorite flower. It's amazing.
Good videographer.
Yeah. What is this? Do you remember?
Lime juice.
Kiwi?
Where's lime?
Oh, maybe lime. They gave this to us when we were checking in. Oh yeah, there's a lime right there in it. They gave this to us when we were checking in. A little lei. How cute. We are at Ayana. This is where we're staying like the whole time for our trip. They gave us this cute little lei when we arrived. I was not expecting it. They also, like, did you hear they went dong and banged the gong?
Did they?
Yeah.
I missed the gong.
But anyway, I want to show you our room before we mess it up because it's amazing. It's so beautiful. The bathroom is here, a huge tub. And then the toilet and the shower. So pretty. And then just this. This just looks crazy. So yeah. And then we're gonna go out and we have a really pretty view. This little sitting area. Another sitting reading here. What a vibe. And then another little area. And then the view. My camera's getting foggy, but accidentally I'm recording. We're sitting out on the balcony just enjoying
Sunset.
yeah, the cloudy sunset that's kind of non-existent, but that's okay. Oh, I had glasses on. Let's see what the pictures look like. I'm gonna take my glasses off for the pictures. I look like Nanny McPhee.
Yeah.
Anyway, but yes, that's it. So we're out here. We had a fun first day. I think we're gonna stay in for dinner. We're currently on a tripod, not for long. Anyway, we had a very fun first day. It's not focusing. Cool. Anyway, fun first day. not focused on me. And we have dinner. Steak. Pizza. Yummy. And Seinfeld. Okay, day number 2. We're going down to the gym and then we're going to go to breakfast. I just have a workout set on. This one is from, oh my god, I look like I'm shredded. This one is from Buff Bunny. It's a new one, very cute. And then this top is from Lululemon. And then just shoes. But I put my hair up, half down just because I have sunblock on my face and it kept sticking to my face. So, but I did overnight curls so my hair is looking really good. So I don't want to put it up in a ponytail yet. But time to go move with Nicole. We're walking back from breakfast. That's it. Because I ate 5 pancakes, so we're gonna walk. Okay, we just went to the gym, came back from breakfast. I'm wearing this Bali swim top and then this linen top. And I don't know where these are from because my mom got these for me, but this is a Zara shirt. I'm gonna have it unbuttoned, but for the sake of YouTube, I'm covering up. But okay, we're going down to the beach. Or to the pool, not the beach, the pool. Yeah, this isn't like one of the outfits I had planned, but here we are. I'm so full, oh my gosh. We are back from the pool, showered, got a tan, slathered myself in lotion, this super comfy onesie that I took for my sister. Feeling good, feeling tan. I don't feel like I got too red. I am red in a couple places, but that'll turn into a tan. We're just chilling. I ordered a coffee. Yep, ordered a coffee. And then we're gonna have dinner tonight. We may go early, but right now we're just gonna do this. And I'm gonna look at the pictures that I took. I can even see in the viewfinder I'm tan. I'm so happy right now, you don't understand. So yeah, that's all. That's what we've done today. Pool. Oh my gosh, do you see? This is the only issue when I tan. Like, obviously my freckles get darker, but like some of the melasma I have or whatever it's called, like the clusters of freckles get darker, and I don't love that. But my sister can blast that with the Pico laser once I'm back in the United States. So yes, day 2 is going amazing. Oh, my shoulder just popped. Okay, thank you, bye. Time to do my makeup, which is the best thing to do after you've been in the sun, because there's just something about makeup on freshly tanned skin. However, I do have a red stripe just on one side, but that's okay. But I'm very excited to do my makeup. This is actually pretty good lighting too, so I hope it comes out good. I'm so excited. And then, of course, on our way to dinner, oh, my shoulder just popped. Hopefully we get some cute pictures. So I'm gonna try to do my makeup as amazing as humanly possible. So yes, that's what I'm doing now. Okay, thank you, bye. Okay, this is the dress I'm wearing to dinner. Makeup is done. I'm gonna wear this dress with the brown Hermes sandals. I'll go put that on. This is the makeup done. I think I put on a highlighter that was like a little too dark, and now it looks like muddy on my face when I look forward, but oh well. But these are the shoes I'm gonna wear. So this is the full outfit. I kind of am regretting not bringing any type of purse because I have nothing to carry the camera in, but I'll just hold it in my hand. But it's a very cute linen dress and the shoes. Tomorrow is gonna be like my very vacation-y dress. It's like blue, it's so pretty, but issue is I forgot to bring any type of nipple cover or strapless bra. With this dress, it's fine because it's like tight, it kind of holds you. With that dress, I foresee that being an issue. But there we go. There. With this dress, it's okay because it's like tight, right? But for that dress, I don't think I'll be able to pull off no bra. But this is for dinner. I think I might have said in my last vlog that I was gonna bring like all my pearl jewelry for this. So I have my pearl necklace and then this pearl ring. I'm wearing stacked with like my everyday rings. But yeah, this is the look for dinner. Okay, it's our last full day here in Bali. This is my outfit that I'm wearing down to breakfast. Yeah, I decided to wear my pearls. I changed out my pearl earrings, my pearl necklace, and I'm wearing my pearl ring because we're going down to the beach today and I feel like it just looks good for that vibe. I put this shirt on. I did bring a button up that I was gonna wear, but the material is a little stiff and I did get a little bit burnt toasty, which I know is not good, but what are you gonna do, you know? These shorts, these shoes, so this is, let's just flip it this way. Let's see, can you see the hole? If I back up like this, can you see the whole fit? Yes, so this is the outfit for breakfast. And then I have a Monday swim bikini on. Again, of course, I brought mainly Monday swimwear. Yesterday I wore one that wasn't Monday, but it's just Monday is just the best. Like, I don't know why I keep trying to buy other brands because Monday is just my favorite, but this one is like a sparkly one and it hurts your skin so bad. But I don't want to wear another triangle bikini today, so I'm gonna wear this one and it looks amazing and beautiful in the sun. So hopefully I can get a, I don't know, a cute picture or something in it. But yes, we're headed down to breakfast and then we're probably gonna go to the beach right from there. Oh my gosh, it kind of looks like Australia a little bit. We're getting ready to go to the beach. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this because the water's super loud, but we're at the beach. Too good. I'm reading Across the Lake or something like that. I don't know. I downloaded it before the trip, so I'm not 100% sure what it's called, but we're just sitting here by the beach. I have to lay on my stomach the whole time because my chest is a bit burnt, but we're here. Eric wants to be anonymous, so he shall be. But yeah, it's a pretty good book. I would recommend the Kindle, even if you're not a big reader. Obsessed. Yeah, this is what we're gonna do. We got water, and we're just gonna chill here. So pretty. By the pool. The beach didn't last very long, but the pool is very pretty. It's whimsical. La la la. Now, our last night dinner, I'm wearing this dress finally with the orans. I'm a little bit burnt toasty. This is a little bit wrinkled. I also forgot like a nipple cover, so I just took the pads out of a sports bra and I'm just kind of like praying that it works. I also tried to do heatless curls, but like put my hair up in the thing and then used a blow dryer. Didn't really work because my hair was still super wet, so it kind of gave it a little bit of body, but not really. So yeah, this is the look for dinner. I feel like it looks better in person than on camera right now. It looks kind of bad, but